Hey guys, so here's one strategy that we do in the AdOps team. We're trying to set up a CPM floor on ad exchange, targeting specific bidders and specific ad units depending on how they perform on that publisher. So for those HB network that can show the split between devices, we'd recommend that we also split the rule for them because performance varies, between mobile and desktop. So let's take Criteo as an example right here. They cannot really break down the report by device category, but instead they can break it down by placement. So in some other reporting interface, you can just go ahead and split the report between devices like Sovereign, for example, and Rubicon. They can show you that, but on Criteo, it's not possible. But if we break down the stats by placement, we can export the Excel file and you can manually calculate, revenue with the total impression and get the average CPM for mobile and average CPM for desktop. So this one right here is for mobile, that's 25 cents. Then this one right here is for desktop and it's 24 cents. So going back to Ad Exchange, so I'm creating this for Wuxia World. So we give it a name. Let's say Wuxia HBS Floor Criteo, and this one's for mobile. Now I'm going to target DFP ad units. So I can just search the keyword right there and include all the relevant ad units that Wuxia World is running. There you go. And then for the DFP key values, we choose M2 bidder. And since we're creating this for Criteo, make sure we choose Criteo. There it is. Okay, and device category, smartphone, feature phone, because this is for mobile. All right, now to get started, we get the average CPM for mobile, which is 25 cents, and we use that as a branded CPM floor. For anonymous, we calculate 25% of branded, and that's 6 cents. All right, and then save it. So here it is. Now we're going to create another display rule, and this time we'll do it for desktop, which by default includes tablet as well. So you can just replace this and say desktop. Same thing, we target the ad units. I can just search for the keyword here and include all the relevant ad units running on Wuxia World. Then target the key value, M2 bidder, Criteo, include that, and then device categories, desktop and tablet. And based on our calculation, it's 23.8, but we can round it off to 24 cents. So we can say branded is 24 cents. So 0.24 times 0.25, because we're calculating 25% of branded, and that's also 0.06. And by the way, guys, this is month-to-date data, not yesterday. So when we run the report on Criteo, it's this month or month-to-date. Same thing if you're running, other ad networks as well. So save that. So basically, you're doing this for every bidder, and as much as you can, try to check the user interface, how you can generate the report between devices. If it's not really possible, and let's say your setup is run of site, then you can check with your rep if you're able to split, or how you can generate the report by device. Or you can try the strategy wherein you're just taking Like, let's say, for example, the entire average across all devices and just create one rule targeting all devices for it. So it really depends on what works for you. What works for me might not work for your publisher. So it's really up to you on how you can strategize around that. But this is one of the strategies that we would recommend you try and test, and hopefully it works. So if you have any questions and suggestions, guys, let me know. Thank you.